Hi guys, ito yung aking salata. Yan. Kinds of salata, jarjar, arugula in English. Ito with lentil, green lentil. Ito naman with date. Ayan. With date and cheese. And ito naman is yung ano lang. Ayan. Iba-iba din ang sauce niyan. Kaya ayan. Mamaya gagawa ko ng sauce. Thank you for watching guys. Yum. Ayan. Oh, see? Ang sauce nitong isa, ito is may ano to, yan. Sauce niyan is, ang tawag niyan? Yung yellow. Ang ito naman is yung normal lang with honey. Ayan guys. Ito, mustard. Ayan, mustard. Ang sauce niyan. Ito naman is yung molasses lang. Pomegranate molasses. So, yummy later. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.